You darling. Hello, Lola. Hello, little girl. Where's she gone? Oh. Hello, pretty girl. Hello, baby. What are you doing? Yes, you're so beautiful. Look at you. Oh, she's gorgeous, isn't you, darling? You can step up. She probably thinks I'm going to put her in. You can step up for Mama. Yeah, little monkey. No, Mummy, I don't want to today. Look at that. Isn't she beautiful? I love you, Lola. I love you, Lolly. She does step up. She loves cuddles and fusses, and she's the whole reason. The whole reason that I got into all this. For the love of Lola. Look at her. You're special, aren't you, darling? Very special little girl. Way. She's so beautiful. She goes out. She's harness trained. I harness trained her. She comes to the shops with Mummy. She comes in the shops. Everyone in the village knows her. That's Parker. If I've got my crutches and sometimes I feel weak and I'm going to go down, that happened to me in the summer. She was on my shoulder on a harness. We was coming out the shop and I tried to walk across the road and I could feel myself going. And she bit my ear. She's done that 4 times now. When I've got too weak, she's bitten my ear just before I've gone down. So I'm taking that as a sign. And there's the 2 of them on there. She loves Parker. She wants to be friends with him, but he loves her as well. But he's on top of her cage, you see. She doesn't like that. Isn't that amazing? That a bird can let you know when you're going to go down with what they call non-epileptic seizures. Clever bird. But we are extremely close. You're going to step up for Mama. Look at the camera. Look at you. Look at you, baby girl. She's the love of my life. I know you shouldn't have favourites, but this video is for Auntie B, isn't it? It's for our Auntie B. B is my friend who hand-reared Lolly. This is for her. Thank you, B. Hey, thank you for bringing us together. I know she doesn't do tricks and she doesn't talk and everything, but it's not always about that. She's just, I can't explain it. She's the reason I get up in the morning. That terrible thing to say. Just unconditional love. Anyway, it's getting sloppy now. Don't want to do that. You see that picture up there? That's her sister. Might have seen her on YouTube. Her name's Loki. That's Lolly's sister. At the moment, she's looking at her new swing. There we go. I'll leave it there. Let it get some peace.